All right, everybody, I'm here with Rick at Elo Touch Solutions at the NAC Show 2023. And, well, Rick, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm doing wonderful. It's really, really busy.
Yeah. It's a terrific show. It's almost a city unto itself.
It's definitely a city all to itself, and I'm feeling it in my legs walking around here. Let me tell you.
Right.
All right. Well, Rick, tell us about what you've got going on at the show here. You guys are the hardware people.
Yes.
Out in the touch screen business, and you're quite big. You've got quite a big history with that. Maybe tell us a little bit about the history and then what you got here.
So yeah, we're Elo Touch Solutions. We actually played a big role in inventing the touch screen 52 years ago at this point, based out of Knoxville, Tennessee. And we are here at the NAC show for C-Store Solutions. A lot of what we're doing in C-Store revolves around self-order. So this would be one of our kiosks. It's called the Wallaby Pro. What we're looking at here is a 27-inch solution with an ADA Storm ADA keypad and Byte software running as the software. At Elo, we are the hardware manufacturer. We partner with other software vendors to bring the total solution to everybody.
Okay.
So we stick in our lane and focus on the hardware.
I'm sorry, what was the software again that was in
This software is from a company called Byte, B-I-T-E.
Yes, I missed that.
Yeah, so Byte does a lot of self-order software, both in restaurant but also in convenience stores as well.
Okay.
We also have some point-of-sale systems. Right now they're being used, but so this is, as I said, the Wallaby Pro. Over here we have a 15-inch version of a self-order on the Wallaby with one of our partners, CPI, which is located right across the hall from us. So CPI is handling the cash recycling, and we are handling the hardware for the self-order point-of-sale solution. This is actually being run off of one of our mobile handhelds. So this is the M50. With the M50, it's dockable into a docking station. What I like to say is it gives you a lot of flexibility, because now if my business changes, I can undock that, walk to where I need to be, and still service my customer.
Well, that sounds pretty fantastic.
And then if we want to, we have a line of our point-of-sale solutions here. So we have 3 different models being displayed today. These are 3 of our newer models. This is a Z30, all integrated. You have integrated customer-facing display on this one as well.
Oh, good.
Very sleek. The Z20, this takes the same screen that is on this solution, and now we're able to put it on a somewhat of a matching stand, so you keep the aesthetics all consistent. And then the Z10, which allows for a little bit bigger of a screen. Again, this is the M60. Same as what we were talking about here, where you can dock it, it could run your whole point of sale, but this one can also accept payment, card payment.
So it's really amazing. I mean, you're really doing everything in the touchscreen kiosk universe now, ecosystem, and it is so booming right now. Everywhere I go, there's an opportunity for me to touch something and order something somewhere. Airport, train station, McDonald's,
for sure.
Anything is that. So you're really prime positioned in a really good way right now. You're a large company, are you not? How long have you been around?
We've been a company for 52 years now. 53 years. And as I said, today we're actually, while we still focus heavily on touch, that's the core of our business, we are doing almost as much in compute. So we have a line of both Intel-based computers as well as Android-based computers, and we're doing a ton of compute business outside of the touch world as well.
Well, elaborate a little bit on that. What do you mean when you say you do a little bit of compute business?
So for example, there are solutions at some of the largest retailers in the world that they have just a touch screen on the POS counter, but underneath is a physical computer. So what you would think about historically, a Dell or HP. Now Elo, we have our own brand of computers that are purpose-built for the commercial environment.
I see.
So it gives you a lot more flexibility where everything doesn't have to be just embedded into a touchscreen. We even have compute devices that are running non-touch environments with other screens as well.
Right. I imagine this is helpful for multi-unit locations and things.
Yeah, it gives you one place to shop. We can take care of everything. The Elo name is so trusted that they trust that the longevity of their equipment's going to be there as well.
Yeah. Well, fantastic. Rick, good to see you again. We saw you at the NRA. You've got a huge display there. A little bit smaller here, but we know why.
Next year will be bigger.
You will indeed, as it is. Anything else you want to add? Or?
No, I appreciate the interview, and we're really excited to be here and look forward to helping C-stores throughout their journeys. It's a big time in C-store. There's a lot of more homegrown applications coming out of there, which plays a big role for Elo being software agnostic. We can grow with the environment.
Absolutely fantastic. And so if a C-store owner wants to reach out to you, Rick, how would they do that?
The best place to go is our website, www.elotouch.com, or on LinkedIn. We're very active on LinkedIn. You will see our posts everywhere. Any of those solutions will get...
So Elo Touch on LinkedIn.
Correct.
Elo Touch Solutions.
Elo Touch on LinkedIn. You can follow our hashtag Elo is everywhere.
Hashtag Elo is everywhere, folks. Okay, and next 2023, come on down if you're seeing this on Thursday morning on your email. Stop down and see these guys.
We'll be here. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.